these are ground cover phlox, and they grow great in the full sun, and they're a very nice ground cover for your garden. Long edging and places like that. And here I'm planting some. Just dig a hole just a little bit bigger than the pot that they're growing in. Set them in there and check to make sure that you're planting them at the same depth that they're growing in the pot, so the ground cover is the same, ground level is the same. And I just squeeze the sides of the pot like this to get it to come out. If the roots have grown out through the bottom of the pot, just pick them off. And then just, if you want to, you can squeeze it a little bit to stimulate the roots to grow. Just drop it in there and fill the dirt back in the hole. And break up any big clumps. There you go. Now just give it a big drink of water. Here they are in the spring, the next year, just starting to bloom. And here they are blooming. And this is the same clump that we just planted last year. You can see how nicely they've grown. So just dig a hole a little bit bigger than the pot and put them in there at ground level, and just squeeze the sides of the pot to get them to come out. Pull the roots out off the bottom of the pot if there's any coming out. And put it in there, and holding it at ground level, just push the dirt in around it. And then water it, and that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.